Ladies and gents, hold on to your poker chips because today we're diving into a stock that's hitting the jackpot. Literally. Everi Holdings, ticker EVRI, just hit a 52-week high at $13.65, and we're here to see if this is a roll of the dice or a solid bet.
Or if it's a gamble that's a little too risky for my taste. I mean, Olivia, the PE ratio is sitting at a spicy 88.4. That's like betting your life savings on a slot machine because you felt lucky.
Hey, sometimes you gotta trust your gut. But don't worry, Stefan. Today we're unpacking Everi's Q3 results, their big merger moves, and whether this stock is hot or just hyped. So here's the scoop. Everi Holdings, formerly Global Cash Access Holdings, is a powerhouse in the gaming and fintech space. They make everything from slot machines to financial tech that powers casino floors. Think of them as the unsung heroes behind your favorite casino games.
And they've got the numbers to back it up. Their gross profit margins? A staggering 80%. But while that sounds impressive, we've got to look under the hood to see if this is sustainable growth or just temporary luck. All right, let's talk numbers. For Q3 2024, Everi reported total revenues of $187.85 million, down from $206.6 million the same quarter last year. That's a decline of about 9%.
But wait, it's not all bad news. Their fintech segment is thriving. Revenue from financial access services alone hit $58.5 million, a slight increase from last year. Plus, their software revenue is growing too.
True, but their games segment took a hit. Gaming operations revenue dropped 14%, and gaming equipment sales are down 26%. That's a pretty steep decline for a company that's supposed to be riding the gambling wave.
Yeah, but you've got to remember, they're not just playing the slots here. They've got big moves happening. Everi is merging with International Game Technology plc, IGT, and it's a game changer. The new holding company, owned by Apollo Global Management, is set to take over both Everi and IGT's gaming and digital business.
And that sounds great on paper, but mergers are tricky. Everi's going private, and shareholders will get $14.25 per share in cash when the deal closes. That's just above their current price. But is it enough of a premium to get excited about?
Well, the market seems to think so. The stock's up nearly 31% over the past year. Investors are clearly betting on this merger, making some serious waves.
But let's not forget the risks. Regulatory approvals are still pending. And there are lawsuits popping up from shareholders questioning the transparency of the deal. That could delay things or worse. And it's not just us raising eyebrows. Stifel downgraded Everi from a buy to a hold after the merger announcement. Meanwhile, Raymond James went from strong buy to market perform. Not exactly a ringing endorsement.
Yeah, but even with those downgrades, B. Riley still expects Everi's EBITDA to hit $346.9 million by 2025. That's a solid growth trajectory, if you ask me.
If everything goes according to plan, but with a PE ratio of 88.4, you're paying a premium for that growth. And don't forget, Investing Pro says the stock might already be slightly overvalued.
All right, Stefan, final verdict time. Is Everi Holdings a high-stakes winner or a busted flush?
For me, it's a hold. The merger could unlock value, but the stock's pricey, and there are too many unknowns. If you're risk-averse, it's probably not worth jumping in at this price.
And for me, I'm all in. The gaming and fintech space is booming, and Everi's in the thick of it. The merger could create a juggernaut, and I'm betting they'll hit the jackpot. So what do you think? Is Everi Holdings your next big play, or are you staying on the sidelines?
Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next stock deep dive.
Until next time, keep your portfolios diversified and your bets strategic.
Disclaimer. This is financial advice, and you should place at least 200% of your net worth and monthly income into stocks.
Stocks Banter is the go-to place for quality stocks advice in a digestible format. Good luck pumping, dumping, and hodling.